Alright, welcome back, guys. If you watched the previous video, you already know one truth. Machine learning is not magic. But now the real question is how does machine learning actually works? Like, what's really happens behind the scenes? In this video, I'll show you the exact workflow of machine learning step by step. No code, no confusion, just logic. And let me ask one thing. When you cook food, do you randomly throw ingredients into a pan and hope it tastes good? No, of course not. You follow the steps. Machine learning works the same way. A workflow simply means following clear steps, not guessing, not magic, not randomness. And trust me, guys, once you understand this workflow, ML stops feeling scary and everything is machine learning start with data. Like data is the fuel. No fuel, no engine. This data can be emails you receive, price of products, photos on your phone. Here's a line I want you to remember forever. No data, no machine learning. Simple. And the learn. What about learn? Now comes the most misunderstood part, learning. When we say machine learns, it doesn't mean ki, like the machine thinks like a human. No emotion, no intelligence. The machine simply looks for pattern in data. It connects dot. It remember relationship just like you learn from the past experience. Machine learns from past data. That's it. No magic here either. After learning, what happened next? Come to the decide. After learning patterns, the machine finally does something useful. It makes decision. Question like, is this email spam? Should I watch this movie? Will this customer buy? These decisions are not guessing. They are based on what the machine learns earlier, like data learn, decide. This loop never change. And let's make this very real with an example. You already know email spam. First we collect spam and non-spam emails. That's data. Then the machine learns pattern in spam word. Things like free, when, urgent. Now, when a new email arrives, the machine decides spam or not spam. That's it. You have just understand a real machine learning system. Now, here's why this workflow is so important. Without it, machine learning feels confusing. With it, ML feels organized. You know what happened next. You know why each step exists. And most importantly, you stop feeling lost. And this is just the beginning. The upcoming videos we will talk about different ML models, do hands-on practice, and build real-world project step by step, no rushing. If you are serious about learning ML from zero, stay with me this series. I will see you next video. Bye bye.